In the grand scheme of things, I think having a long-term outlook towards the market is what matters the most. On the positive, we are seeing a little bearish momentum here from the Bitcoin dominance. And usually, when you see bearish momentum from the Bitcoin dominance, we see sort of an altcoin rally, which we're actually starting to see. There's been a lot of projects that's actually starting to rally, and this is kind of like a side quest. You can see a boys club here closing in on a $10 million market cap. I believe it did hit a $10 million market cap. They do have some huge news coming in today. This thing always it's been going crazy, right? It's been going crazy here. On the 4 hour chart, right? Again, I've talked about this in my previous video. Go watch it. And then we got our community token here, guys, looking to confirm a breakout here on the 3 days. So you can see we had a pretty nice move with our community token, and it's like a question that you ask. I mean, what would you buy, right at right now? Would you buy boys club that's up massive, or would you take, or would you, take a look at this chart here, which has floored bottom out, has built a floor. This is the 3 day chart, by the way. So this is built a very, very good floor, and now it's starting to trend to the upside. So again, guys, consider our community project here sitting at $149,000 market cap, and it's oozing with potential, right? Still under 500 holders, and we've been here for 4 months. So we've been here for a while, and I just wanted to point that out. As you can see, we're up 38% on the 7 day. So it's good to see that not just meme coins on base or Solana is going up, but it's good to see meme coins on BNB starting to go crazy as well. And then I don't know, it's Dex2. Dex2's been going crazy, but I want to pretty much talk about the entire market. I wanted to point that out, right? Because you can find good meme coin charts and good narratives that could potentially be looking to explode the more closer we get to some of these catalysts. So stick around, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithm. We are looking for the FOMC meeting in the 9 days, so this could be a little rally headed up to the FOMC meet. That is a 99% chance of a pause again, right? The market has been working to price in the potential ETFs, and we've got news all across the board, right? We got the ETFs for the Ethereum that could likely go live sometime at the end of this month, right? So the market always is forward thinking. So I would assume that there, ETH at some point will start moving and pricing in that spot ETF. In fact, people have already gave the bear, the base, and the bull case of some of the net inflows that could happen. On the flip side, do be a bit caution because Grayscale does have to sell off the Ethereum. Very, very similar to what they did with BTC. So that would create a lot of demand for ETH as here in the States is getting a little bit clear with that compliance and regulation. Not to add, we're starting to have a lot more retail come into cryptocurrency because we're starting to see a lot of these influencer tokens here spawn out of thin air, right? We had Iggy, Soldier Boy, Rich the Kid. We got a Crypto Messiah token here. I'm in this one personally, right? This one's for the culture, baby. We also have Rodney's token here as well, right? I'm supporting crypto people here, so you'll probably start to see a lot more of these celebrity and influencer tokens, right? It's another Pepe on base that's been going crazy. I think that I don't know about that one, guys. So don't quote me. But what happened was this morning we had some news here that this guy's back and he's bullish again in the GameStop market. In the stock market, the GameStop stock has been going up, and shorts have been getting liquidated. I think billions of dollars of shorts has getting liquidated every time this guy tweets or does something bullish for this space. So again, we've seen some of these roaring kitty tokens here. And again, I'm going over the entire market, guys, but we've seen some of these roaring kitty tokens explode. That's why even if you can find one of these ones that sleep in dormant, you can literally put 50, a little bit, you can put whatever you want to put. Again, not financial advice, and just wait for him to tweet and just, simply take advantage of one of his tweets and get you a nice good gain. take your profits, move on, and put it into your high convictional plays. Speaking of high convictional plays, I did a video on the Patreon on my top 5 AI altcoins. So, guys, if you want to hang around the community, we got a few outlets. We have the Discord, the J5 Telegram, and also the Patreon, which is a private group as well. So, consider those if you want to get into plays like Boys Club early. Again, called this project at a $400,000 market cap, guys, and this thing is sitting around a almost a $10 million market cap. It has retraced. It went to 10 million a little bit early, like 11 cent a little bit earlier today. Has put in a little bit retracement. Hopefully, it can hold this support here. They do have some huge news. I'm coming a little bit later today, and allegedly there might be a big player inside this token, so we'll let them drop the news. I'm also paying attention to the others chart here. It's why I don't think that the altcoin market is ready to explode just yet. We still are seeing a little bit of bearish momentum because we haven't got confirmation. We got the stock RSI stock, but cross here, but no confirmation of bullish momentum above 20 here. And I like to look at the weekly charts because it gives me the charts from a grand scheme of thing. Monthly too, right? When you think about monthly, 2 to 4 months, but the weekly chart is usually 4 to 8 weeks, and it takes time to play out. But the trend is still bullish, right? Tactically, the trend is bullish if we just go here to our baseline. On the others chart, as long as we stay above 224 billion, we're bullish. So it doesn't matter if these indicators are a little bearish. Short term, yes, but from the long term perspective, the altcoin market here is still bullish. You can see that the others chart is the it's kind of like the micro, the Deej altcoins, right? This is the total altcoin market excluding the top 10 altcoins. So I like it. I like it. I like it. Or top 10 crypto, so however you want to say it. I like it. I think that this gives you an idea if we start to see some of our Deej and micro plays start to move. But the adoption could be on the way, right? When you think about this altcoin season, we've had 650 days of accumulation, and we had 720 days of accumulation before the last altcoin season. So we're coming to a time where this could get if this gets put in again, this could get a little bit crazy. And when you think about the catalyst, like potential Fed cut, more liquidity coming in the market, when you talk about money printing, the election cycle, whether any president is bullish or bearish, could create attention. Celebrity tokens, bringing in more retail, and even like these Coinbase stats here, which are still a bit mid, right? Coinbase app store ranking right now is like 215, and the finance category is 14. So you want to see these, you want to see the finance category, you want Coinbase to be number one or top three at least. And overall ranking, you want to see Coinbase in that top 10, right? That elite status. And if that happens, you might want to start, you should have already had that in your mind and start to think about, okay, let me think about exit strategies, properly preparing for the bear market is to come. Because at the end of the day, we've been in a bull market for about a full year. Many people don't want to admit it, but we have, right? We've been bullish for a while now. So we're coming to a time where at some point, you know, end of 2025, 2026, we should be re-entering a bear market. So right now is the time really to get into that research, right? Not to be lazy. Right now you need to be locked in, right? Because if you are not locked in, you could potentially miss the parabolic stage, right? This was cool, like buying it down here and watching it go up to here is cool, but this is where the real money is made. And now we're here again, right? You could have bought down here, ride it out to here, and now we're here again, and we don't know how high the altcoin market to go. Will it go to 3 trillion, 4 trillion, 5 trillion? Guys, let me know inside the comments what you think. But again, these ETFs could bring in just itself a net inflows of about 6 billion, which is the bull case, by the end of 2024, and even the bear case could bring in another 1 billion, which is 10% of the market share of the Bitcoin ETFs. So a lot to look forward to, right? The DXY also is in a downtrend, right? We're seeing the RSI here cross down, and then the stock RSI have lost momentum. So hopefully this DXY can get back below our trend line here. That would be bullish, but DXY is not as bullish as I wanted to be. I would love to see this thing under 100. But the thing about it, and this is the elephant in the room. It seems like the crypto market doesn't really care about the macro environment. It doesn't care about GDP. It doesn't care about, what I'm saying, the DXY. It doesn't care about it, right? As long as there's liquidity, people will be a degen. People will trade crypto. So that's pretty much what I'm seeing as far as the total market synopsis. Not sure what I'm gonna name this video just yet, guys. But like and subscribe, like and subscribe. If you're part of the community, go join the Discord. Get active, active. If you're part of the community, man, you're not a part of what we're doing with our community project. I don't know what to tell you at this point, but like, subscribe, and would love to see a lot more support coming in from the community because we got an opportunity to do something great. Like I said, would you rather buy a chart that's up 10, 20x, or would you rather buy the chart with the potential to do that? We've been here around 4 months now. So, again, I don't know how high none of this shit will go. Okay. I can't speculate on price. Who knows, right? But, we got AI taking off. We got the global liquidity starting to get thicker. We got potential Fed cuts, easing, bullish, dovish momentum here, right? We got ETH ETF, Bitcoin ETF. We didn't came so far since the last bear market, and we didn't have none of these catalysts, right? Most of the catalysts was bears, right? Elon selling his crypto, FTX, SBF, all of this stuff that happened with Celsius, Voyager. We've overcame that when people said crypto was going to zero, and now we're here one step away from the parabolic stage. So you need to start making your bets now on your high convictional plays. I personally cannot tell you what to buy. Join the Discord, do your research, find your niche in crypto. I had to talk about this in the J5 Telegram channel yesterday. I was hanging around the voice chat, right? And I said, hey man, like, find your niche. If you're an AI person, AI, you know what I mean? If you're, a gaming person, stick to gaming, you know what I mean? Just find out if you're a meme coin person, you know what I mean? Find you memes and the hottest narratives, but have conviction on what you believe in, and you'll start to see your portfolio grow over time. So a lot to look forward to in the next 6 months. Guys, stay focused. Crypto goes up, it goes down. The most important thing is not investing in money that you have to think about on a day-to-day basis. If you got to think about that money, then you should not be investing into crypto, right? You should be focusing on your priorities and your responsibilities. If you come across something a little bit extra, do your research, do your due diligence, but understand it's kind of like buying a lotto ticket, right? You're either going to win or you're going to lose. You got to be accepted of that loss if it does happen. This is a market outlook, and I'll see you in the next one.